In this video, we're going to continue topic 8.1 exponential functions, and we're looking at example 20. So let y represent the mass in grams of radioactive strontium, whose half-life is 29 years. The quantity of strontium present after t years is y equals 10 times 1/2 to the t over 29. They want to know what the initial mass is when t equals 0 and how much is present after 80 years. So I am going to start by just writing out or substituting into my formulas. So in A, I know that I've got y, and I will typically put this notation. Since they didn't give me a function notation, I typically like to write it in function notation, so I know that I'm plugging a 0 into this. So 10 times 1/2 to the 0 over 29. So I want to get that into my calculator. Or actually, I don't even have to. Let's look at this. I know that 0 divided by 29 would just be 0. And then I know 1/2 to the 0 power, anything to the 0 power is just 1. And then 10 times 1 would be 10. So I know that 10 grams is what it started with. All right, and then in part B, it wants to know after 80 years. So I'm going to do y of 80 this time equals 10 times 1/2 to the 80 over 29. And we're going to go ahead and put that into our graphing calculator. So I have 10, and then I'm going to use parentheses, and I'm just going to do 1 divided by 2. I'm going to make it look exactly the way it does. I'm going to hold shift and 6, and I'm going to go 80 divided by 29. And there's my answer. It's 1.478 grams. So 1.478 grams. And if they don't give us a rounding point, we always go 3 decimal places.